So here you have the shopping street. So this is still a little bit like an area where you can buy clothing and souvenirs. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Times Square one, and today I want to show you an update regarding the MBK. So as you know, all the malls have opened up again, and I haven't been to MBK for a little while, so let's go and have a look. Today's a nice day. It's half cloudy, half sunny. Yeah, the last time I was in MBK, they were doing quite a bit of renovations. So let's see how it looks now. By the way, if you're in Bangkok, this Square One Skywalk is actually pretty nice. It's next to the National Stadium BTS station. You see on, you have all these kind of, yeah, what do you call it, umbrellas or mushrooms? Yeah, so the last time that I was here, the Tokyo was still open, but it's closed in the meanwhile. It's a Japanese shopping mall inside of MBK. It's not there anymore. The Bangkok Art and Cultural Center is still closed. This is a very nice museum. I can't wait for this to open up and show it to you guys. So let's go have a check inside. Yeah, so this is where the Tokyo used to be, but that's all closed now. And several shops I noticed didn't open up yet. Yeah, the last time I was here, they were doing a lot of renovations on the top floor. So let's go and have a look there. So this is the technology floor. A lot of accessories you can buy here. And I have the feeling that there's more to do than last time. So you have Fortune Town now, where you can look for accessories for your phone and for your computer. And then of course here in MBK. Yeah, so on this floor also you find all the mobile providers such as True and AIS and DTech. Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, so this is a part that last time they were renovating, and it looks more like a modern mall at the moment. It looks like they modernize everything. So this section is called Wealth and Banking. So before on this floor you had all little shops, but this is obviously been changed into the banking section. Very interesting. So this is all new. This is nice. So they are really dividing the MBK in different hubs now. So it's becoming a little bit more like the standard malls, how we know them here in Bangkok. So this is now the learning hub. Yeah, a lot of shops are closed, but this is all new. So yeah, I think they are just waiting for everything to pick up again. It looks a lot lighter than it used to be. It looks a lot brighter than it used to be. Yeah, so the last time when I was here was about 5 or 6 months ago, and I thought that a lot of places were closed, but they are definitely doing a very big reconstruction here and renovation. And what I did really notice is that there is not so many touristic shops anymore. So this here now is the eatery section. the food legends. So this is the old food court, but it's completely different from what it was about half a year ago. I mean, the food court is still the same, but everything around it here has changed a lot. Many of the shops here in the food court, they closed down as well. I guess they're going to renovate this. So let's go one more floor up where you have the restaurants. Okay, this used to be a bowling alley, but it seems that they are redoing it for the cinema, so I guess the bowling is gone. So here used to be like an arcade, and I don't see any of the machines. Yeah, and the cinema here obviously was already closed. But if I see what they are doing in the back there, it might be that the whole cinema area has been moved, or they just expanded it with extra halls. See, mostly the cinemas, they are closed, but you can still get your popcorn. So here you have the shopping street. So this is still a little bit like an area where you can buy clothing and souvenirs. Yeah, so if you're on holiday in Bangkok and you need a souvenir, then this is one of the places where you can get stuff. Like shops like this, you can buy plenty. These are the kind of shops that MBK is famous for. So you can see these are all the little stalls that are waiting for shops to come in here, and I'm pretty sure when tourism comes back, this is all gonna open up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the MBK. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.